Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Shyam Thapa, and today we're exploring the vibrant city of Kolkata, the city of joy. From historical landmarks to bustling markets, Kolkata has it all. I'll show you the top 10 must-see destinations. These places will leave you amazed. Let's dive in. First on our list is the iconic Victoria Memorial. This stunning white marble building is a symbol of Kolkata and a tribute to Queen Victoria. Don't miss the evening light and sound show in the beautiful gardens. It's a magical experience that brings the history to life. Next up, we have the Howrah Bridge, an engineering marvel, and one of the busiest cantilever bridges in the world. The sheer scale of the bridge is awe-inspiring. The view of the bridge all lit up at night is simply breathtaking. Soak in the magic of this iconic landmark. Our third stop is the Dakshineswar Kali Temple, dedicated to Goddess Kali. Located on the Hooghly River, it draws devotees from all over India. The serene atmosphere, incense, and chants create an immersive experience. Explore the shrines and witness the pilgrims' devotion. For a taste of Kolkata's vibrant nightlife, head over to Park Street. This bustling area is lined with restaurants, cafes, and pubs. Enjoy delicious Bengali cuisine from traditional to modern. Park Street truly comes alive at night. Delve into the past at the Indian Museum, the oldest and largest museum in India. It houses an extensive collection of artifacts, showcasing India's rich cultural heritage. Wander through galleries with fossils, mummies, sculptures, and manuscripts. A treasure trove of history and culture you don't want to miss. Next, we're off to Science City, a must-see destination, especially for families and curious minds. This museum offers interactive exhibits and attractions, making learning fun. Explore the wonders of space, be amazed by the 3D show, and ride through time on the time machine. It's a fun and educational experience for all ages. Our journey through Kolkata takes us to St. Paul's Cathedral, one of the most important religious sites in the city, and a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Built in 1847, this majestic cathedral stands tall in the heart of the city, its spire reaching towards the heavens. Step inside and be awestruck by the beautiful stained glass windows and intricate woodwork. The peaceful surroundings make it a great place for quiet reflection. For history enthusiasts, South Park Street Cemetery is a fascinating visit. Established in 1767, this colonial-era cemetery is one of the oldest in the city. Walking among the weathered headstones, you'll feel history wash over you. A serene spot offering a glimpse into the past and a reminder of time's passage. Prepare to be captivated by the beauty and serenity of Belur Math, the headquarters of the Ramakrishna Mission. This architectural marvel, located on the banks of the Hooghly River, is a symbol of unity and harmony. The temple's design blends Hindu, Christian, and Islamic styles. Spend some time meditating by the river and let the tranquility soothe your soul. Last but not least, we arrive at New Market, also known as Hog Market, a shopper's paradise. Established in 1874, it offers everything from clothes to fresh produce, spices, and street food. Test your bargaining skills as you navigate the lanes filled with vendors hawking their wares. Don't forget to try the street food, it's an experience in itself. So, there you have it, the top 10 must-see destinations in Kolkata. This city blends history, culture, and modernity. I hope this video inspired you to visit Kolkata. Like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.